Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mrs. Diaries. So for today, I'm gonna walk you through my everyday makeup routine. So this is the kind of look or makeup look that I would usually go for. Madali lang siya, and the products that I use, you can find it sa Watsons or sa SM department store. Sobrang dali lang din yung gawin, and parang yung ginawa ko ngayon ay medyo no makeup look, yung para bang may makeup ka pero parang hindi masyadong halata. I'm not an expert guys, iba-iba tayo ng balat, iba-iba tayo ng style, but let's see, baka magustuhan nyo kung paano ko ito ginawa, itong look na to. If you wanna know how I did this look, please keep on watching.